Today I'm going to be teaching you how to upload a script to your host. First of all, let's buy a domain, ctcreditonline.com. So we are building an online banking website. So first of all, let's get a domain. Let's buy the domain, ctcreditonline. Click on register. So let's just purchase this domain. Click on next. Pay with crypto name. So let's scan this QR code and pay for our domain. So this domain is the domain we are going to use. Successfully paid. So let's go back to our cPanel. Let's go back to our cPanel. Username, password, login. So let's add the domain. So locate domain section inside the cPanel. Locate the domain section, then click on create a new domain, then paste the domain we just bought, ctcreditonline.com. Click on submit. So okay, we have successfully added the domain to our host cPanel. You can see. So click on file manager to locate the particular domain we just bought. Click on upload. So we are going to upload the particular script. You can see Rich Boy Tech Bank script. Let's upload this particular script. You can see this is a zip file. So make sure the script you're uploading is compressed to a zip file. So while it's uploading, let's go back to the cPanel. Let's open on that tab, go back to the cPanel and create an email. Let's create email using that particular domain. So this will be the email you use to operate the bank. So domain, so username, contacts, put password, put your email password. Then click on create. You can see contact at City Credit Online have been created. So let's paste this one side. So let's check. Okay, still uploading 22%. So the next step, while it's uploading, let's create a database. Go to database wizard, then put the database name. So put the database name, then database username. You can still use the same database name and username, then put the password. So make sure you save this password in your notepad. This particular password is very important because you might need it after you upload the script. So paste the password, then click create a user. So let's say the password on one side. So create a user, click on all privileges, then click on make changes. So our database has successfully been created. Copy the user and paste it on one side. So let's check back. Our script is still uploading. So let's wait for it to upload. No, this zip script comes with the database and the bank itself script. So when you unzip it, you will see. So we have successfully uploaded the script. So this is the script. So the next step is to extract it. Let's extract it to the domain that we bought, or the domain you want to upload it to. You can see that's the script have been extracted. So click on this scripts. You can see this SQL.SQL is our database. So download it. So we're going to upload that database on the database we just created. So after you download database, click on this particular zip file and extract it to the particular domain we bought, or the domain you want to upload the script to. Click on extract files. So okay, done. So let's go back to the domain. Yeah. So the next step, look for .env. If you can't find this .env, go to settings and click on show hidden files. Sometimes it might hide. So click on .env. Let's edit it. Then input the particular database name you created. Database, paste it. Database username, paste it. Then the password, the database password you created, copy it and paste it here. So you have successfully connected the database to the bank itself. So the next step is to upload the database we downloaded from the script. So to do that, search for PHP admin. search for cPanel to open like this. Then you see all the database on your host. So locate that particular database, City Credit Online. Then click on import. Then click on choose file and upload the database that we downloaded from the script. Okay, click on import. Okay, let's wait. Okay, successfully imported. So this is the tables, the database of the script. So the next step is to locate the admin. This is the admin. This is where you get the admin email and password. Note, you need to be careful here. So first of all, let's put the password Richie 2026. Let's save it in case you want to log in the admin of the website. Then for the email, let's put admin@citycreditonline.com. Note, if you save it like this, it will not go. So let's paste the admin login email. That is admin@citycreditonline. Save it. Then admin login password Richie 2026. So if you save it like this, it will not go. If you go but you can't log in, so the next step, look for this password and make sure you put it on encrypt for security purpose. Make sure it is on encrypt, then click on go. So you need to, you can see our password have been encrypted. So let's log in the website. Let's log in the website. Okay, citycreditonline.com. As you can see, this website. So we need to add the logo and change the write-up. So let's log in the admin section of this website. Let's log in the admin stroke manager side. Okay, this is the admin login. So let's put the password we created on our SQL database. The Richie 2026. Let's paste it. It's very simple. It's very simple. Click on access admin. You can see this is the admin of the website. So the next step now, you can do your settings. You can add logo, add your email, do everything you want to do. So let's go back to settings. Let's change our website name. Let's put Citibank. Please note this video is for educational purpose only, please. So City Online Bank. Then website URL, let's put the link of the website. Then you can put the bank address. If you have WhatsApp, you can put the WhatsApp. You can change the time zone. So let's upload the logo. Let's upload the Citibank logo. Then let's upload the fever account. Then click on updates. So let's go back to the website to check if our write-up and logo have changed. Voila, you can see Citibank logo. Write-up have changed. So it's very simple. You can create thousands of websites within 1 hour. So this is the settings. This is the transfer code. So you can check this contact email. Put your email where users or client can contact you. They're off your KYC. You know, this bank have like over 200 currency. Click on save. And next step, email. Let's go to email section. SNTP. This is where the bank automatically send emails to users or clients. Set it. So we are good to go. So let's refresh. You can see. So if you need any script, you need a banking script, a shipping script, a flight script, any script at all, just contact Rich Boy Tech. We'll deliver it for you at a very cheap rate. If you need a host, if you want to buy a domain, if you want to create a website, Rich Boy Tech is available. So do it to check my other videos on my channel. And if you have any question, leave it on the comment section below. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.